There's a major storm brewing in the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly. Massive uproar on the issue of Afzal Guru. The PDP is once again raising the issue that Afzal Guru's remains were not returned to his family and were buried in the jail where he was executed. The opposition MLAs are demanding that Afzal Guru's remains be returned to his family.
अफजल गुरु इसी मुल्क का रहने वाला था। उसके वारिसों को उसकी बॉडी वापस देने में कोई सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को कोई हर्ज नहीं होना चाहिए। ऑनरेबल होम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया ने एक स्टेटमेंट दिया।
Well, let me go first to Shuja ul Haq, who joins us for more on this story. Shuja, exactly what is the PDP demanding?
Well, PDP members and some other members of the House today, just at the moment it started, went into the well of the House and started demanding the government to make a statement over what the Home Minister Sushil Kumar Singh yesterday said. Remember, he had yesterday made a statement that Afzal Guru's body won't be returned back. This is pretty much reaction to the statement that was made yesterday. Today we saw the members creating ruckus in the Assembly House, not letting it function. The Speaker had to finally adjourn the House, and the members of PDP and independent members also are now demanding that there should be a vote resolution that could be passed from the Assembly House so that the Government of India can be pressed to return the body of Afzal Guru back to his family members. Clearly, the entire controversy that has started over the Afzal Guru's matter refuses to die down, and the Assembly seems to be the perfect platform for these political parties to their emotions there.
All right, Shuja, do stay on with us. Let's in fact listen in to what's happening in the Assembly.
क्योंकि ये जमात इस इशू को हाईजैक करना चाहते हैं। हाईजैक इसलिए क्योंकि उनके अपने सियासी मकासद है। ये अपने सियासी मकासद के लिए इस इशू को हाईजैक करना चाहते हैं, लेकिन गवर्नमेंट और नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस से वाजह एक्सप्लेन है कि उनकी बॉडी जो है उसके वारिसों को वापस मिलनी चाहिए।